Hello and welcome back to our video. In this problem, we're given this figure where we have some quadrilateral where we have our interior angles are 45 degrees, x degrees, x degrees, x degrees. And we're asked, what is the value of x? So what we have to do here is we have to understand that the interior angles of any quadrilateral, right, square, rectangle, kite, rhombus, whatever, the angles add up to 360 degrees. So in this one, 45 plus x plus x plus x, right? These four angles add up to 360 degrees. So 45 plus x plus x plus x means plus 3x is equal to 360 degrees. Subtract 45 from both sides. These cancel out. And then you have 3x is equal to 360 minus 45 is 315. Divide both sides by 3. These cancel out, and you have x is equal to 315 divided by 3, which is 105. So each of these angles is 105, means the whole thing adds up to 360, and your value of x is D, 105. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.